Hello everyone, we are going to solve 2 power 2x minus 3 times 2 power x plus 2 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 2 power 2x, I can write it as 2 power x power 2. According to exponent rule, x power mn, we can write it as x power m power n or x power n power m minus 3 times 2 power x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now, I am going to take a substitution. Let 2 power x is equals to y. So, it becomes y square minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. So this is an quadratic equation. So I can use a middle term split method to factorize this. So minus 3y, I can write it as minus 2y minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Now from first two term, if I'll take y as common, y minus 2. And if I'll take minus 1 as common, y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now y minus 2 as common, so y minus 1 is equals to 0. So these are the two factors. So put the factor is equals to 0 to find out the solution. So y minus 2 is equals to 0, y is equals to 2 and y minus 1 is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. So let's recall the value of y. So first 2 power x is equals to y. So 2 power x is equals to 2, that is 2 power 1. So if we compare both sides, the value of x is 1. And in this case, 2 power x is equals to 1. So 1 we can write it as 2 power 0. Now if we compare both sides, the value of x is 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Please give your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much.